Hi, welcome to a calculator tutorial from Equaser. My name is Ahmad Shamshiri. In this video we are going to learn how to convert polar and rectangular coordinates with Texas Instrument TI-84 Plus and TI-84 Plus Silver Edition calculator. This video is part of a full video of TI-84 Plus. The links are below the video in the description. If for some reason you press window or something and you cannot exit, press second function and quit to exit from the screen. And I'm setting my calculator to defaults. You don't do it if you have some important settings. Second function, mem 7, 2, and 2. Now I'm going to show you my settings. They all look like this. So the most important part is radian and degree and the floating point and the rest. Press clear to exit. Now I'm setting the angle unit to degree. Initially press mode, go once, twice in here and select degree and enter. Once it is selected, press clear to exit. So we have polar coordinates and also we have rectangular. In some schools or books it's called Cartesian. So get ready for that. So let's have a look at the example 1. We have r, which is the length of this radius or vector, 6, and then we have the angle 37, and we want to find the tip of this coordinate in terms of x and y. So let's start it by pressing second function angle and then number 7. 7 is getting x. So now it says from polar we want to get rectangular, we want to get value of x. Enter 6 and then we press this button for comma and then the angle 37. Just follow the screen and we don't even need to close it if you're not doing any other calculation. Just press enter. This is our x value, and because here it says get x and here the x value. Now let's get for the y value, press second function, and now let's get the y value, press second function angle. 8 is not on the screen. If I scroll down you will see it. So it says y. So from polar get rectangular value of y and 6,37. This time I'm going to close it and that is our y value. Now if we have the unit in radian, r is equal 6 and theta is pi over 4 radian in this case, and we want to find the coordinate x. Now because this is just an example, pi over 4, x and y should be equal because this is 45 degrees, the vector. Pi over 4 is here and this is pi over 2. So let's find out x and y. And the first thing that we should do is press mode and make sure we are in radian. I just played with this, so if you are in radian that's fine, and press clear to exit. Now let's enter second function angle and then 7. We want from polar to rectangular and our value is 6, comma, and then pi over 4, second function pi over 4. This is pi divided by 4 and enter. We got the value here for x. And now let's do for the y, second function angle. 8 is below. I can press 8 directly, but let me show you. 8 is here and this says give me y from polar, and again 6, comma, and then alpha pi. This time I'm going to bring the fraction, press this button and alpha and then 1. So pi over 4. If you don't see that fraction, you need to update the software. The link is below the video. I have a separate video explained it, how to do that. And let's press enter. And as you can see for x and y, we got 4.24 and 4.24. If you do the same thing with degree, let me change it. Come here to degree, select it, clear. Let me just paste this value, go up, and when it's highlighted, enter. It's here now with a unit degree. We are getting 0.082, which is incorrect. This is another example. We have x equal 4, and we want theta and r. So x is 4 and x is 4, y is minus 5 below this axis. Let's change the unit to degree. Go to mode, select degree. If it's not already selected, press clear to exit. Second function, angle, and then 5, we want r, and then 4 comma minus, I'm using this minus, and then 5, and enter. That is our r, or magnitude. Now let's get the theta here. Second function, angle, and then theta 6. You see, rectangular to polar, get me theta 4 comma minus 5, and enter. And now it gives you the angle minus 51 degrees. If for some reason, if you forgot, and if you are in radian, clear, let's go up and enter. You will get minus 0.89 radian, which is incorrect. Let me go back to degree, clear. So the angle was given here, minus 51.34. And now make sure the unit is in degree here. We want to get r is r and theta are here, but the theta is 50 degrees from here. Now we want to get y and we want to get x. This 50 degrees, if you pay attention, we have theta 90 degrees and another theta 90 degrees and then 50. So we have to add them together. The angle becomes 230 degrees, this angle. So if we don't enter it properly, we get error. Second function, angle 7, we want to get x, and then enter 6 comma. Here we can enter to 30, but let me add 90 plus 90 plus 50, and then enter. We got the value 3.85. That's our x value. Let's get y. Second function, angle, and then 8. From polar to rectangular, get me y. 6, and then comma 230, and enter. And we got minus 4.59. Now if we check here, x is minus 3 on this side and y is minus 4.5. So both of these are at the right quadrant, and our answer is correct. Thank you for watching. Please thumb up the video, and also please don't forget to subscribe.